In the building supply space, there's a number of challenges that customers face that we typically help solve for. What used to happen for our customers before they engaged with us, they'd send out the trucks in the morning, they might call the customers, give them status updates when they can expect the delivery to arrive. And then, if they get stuck in traffic, they have to call the customers again, and really that back and forth is really inefficient. Another thing that building supply distributors come to us with is, hey, our drivers go out on the road, we're not sure how efficient they're being. We build a route for them, we think it's an efficient route, are they actually following it? So how we help with that is we build a route plan, and that really becomes the labor standard for the day for the driver. So they start in the AM, we know they should spend X amount of minutes at the depot or the branch, and then we know how much drive time they should be taking between stops, the drive distance, and we can track plan versus actual in real time. And that's great, and it helps from a reporting perspective, but really where the rubber hits the road for our capabilities and for building supply distributors is that if the driver deviates from the plan, we prompt a workflow in the mobile app to ask them how come. So in this way, we help drivers stick to their plan, and we reduce labor hours by 30 to 60 minutes per driver per day, just keeping them on task.
We'll look at the live view and the routes to track our drivers. So if we did have a customer that is looking for a delivery within a specific time frame, we're able to check that delivery out to give the customer a more accurate information, whether there was a delay at a previous stop or we had an issue on the road. We are using that technology to better inform our customers. The feedback we're receiving from the customers is extremely positive. One of the main things are with customers that have multiple deliveries in a day are able to see their deliveries in real time as they're being delivered to the job site. So the feedback's been very positive.
In the building supply space, 1 to 3% of top line revenue historically would go missing. So we empower our customers with a mobile workflow so that when the driver delivers, they have to get evidence, so they take photos in context of the job site, so you know precisely where the materials were placed. And once the driver pulls off the property, an email goes to the customer. And through that proof of delivery process, we help customers retain that 1 to 3% that historically was given out in courtesy credits, so to help them improve profitability.
The photos that we're taking on job site have really been a benefit to us when it comes to any kind of customer concern issue that does arise. For example, we had a customer that had a delivery and his subcrew was giving him an invoice for additional material needed for the job site. Question came in, why would I need more material than I asked for? Did you deliver it? As in review of the pictures in the job site, we show that we did deliver the material that they asked for, sent a copy of the picture with the timestamp to the customer, and he's able to head that off in another conversation with his subcrew. So now that we have this as part of the conversation, it has really strengthened our relationship with our customer base.
The biggest impact for us on the technology we're putting in place is first and foremost the customer impact. We are seeing customer satisfaction, customer visibility. They know exactly where their delivery is, when it's going to be there, and what we actually delivered, and we've achieved that goal.